In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Google Chrome. If text on websites looks too small or too large, Chrome gives you a couple of quick ways to make everything easier to read. First, we'll adjust your default font size so most sites feel comfortable right away. Then we'll look at a simple shortcut you can use when you only want to change the size on a single page. Start by opening Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, select Appearance. This section controls how things look and feel in your browser. Here, find the font size drop-down. This is the fastest way to pick a general reading size for all sites. You can switch between options like small, medium, and very large. Try a size, then browse a few pages to see how it feels. Medium is the default, but if you find yourself leaning in to read, bump it up. If a page feels cramped because the text is huge, drop it back down. Most sites adapt automatically, but if something looks off, a quick refresh can help the new size settle in. For more control, click Customize Fonts just below. This opens fine-grained sliders so you can dial in the exact size that's comfortable. The main slider adjusts your standard text size across the web, so you can find a sweet spot that reads well without breaking layouts. Just beneath that, set a minimum font size. This is especially helpful on text-heavy sites because it prevents tiny captions or footnotes from getting unreadably small. Keep the minimum modest at first. Too high can make some pages look crowded. You can always return here and nudge the sliders until everything feels just right. If you only want to change the size for one specific website, use the on-the-fly shortcut. Hold Control and tap the plus key to make text bigger, or Control and minus to make it smaller. When you're done, press Control and 0 to reset the page back to 100%. This is perfect when a single article needs a quick boost, and it won't affect other sites. Chrome also remembers these zoom levels per site, so when you come back later, it stays how you left it. That's all you need. Use the font size dropdown for a quick, global change, customize fonts for precise control and a reliable minimum size, and the keyboard shortcut when you only want to adjust one page. With these tools, you'll have perfectly readable text in every tab. You're all set.